Do I look like I know what I'm doing?
No, not at all. You're holding it backwards. You're holding the bow backwards. There you go.
Which arm do you hold it with?
Yeah, that's right. Then you hold it out. We're going to be building a archery target out of some old like railroad ties. I'm gonna dig some posts in the ground, dig some holes in the ground for the post, probably about, I don't know, 16, 18 inches deep, about 36 inches apart, and I don't know, maybe 5 feet high, the post out of the ground. Sounds like some good dimensions. Kind of just playing it by ear with some stuff I have laying around. Should be pretty simple. Helper. You gonna help me dig a hole, Hank? You gonna help? No? Okay. Got the first hole dug. Went about 18 inches deep on that hole. And from the innermost diameter to the second hole is going to be right here at 36 inches. So that'll be the outermost part of the hole, or the innermost. And I'll have 36 inches between that side and the second hole to play with hanging the bag. Got about 36 inch gap between the two holes. There we go. Hi, Hank. Hi. So we're cutting this. Come on. This creosote soaked post down to 7 feet. That was really bad footage. But we're cutting this post down to 7 feet. My post holes are at 24 inches, so that'll give me like a 5 foot high post out of the ground. Cut 2 bags of quickcrete, a leveler, 2 like, I don't know what to call them, shims to hold the post up to get them level, bucket of water, 2 holes dug 24 inches, and we're just going to set it now. We're going to put the post in, level it up with the 2 shims, and then dump a bag of quickcrete in there, dump about a gallon of water in there and let it set, and do the other side, and then put a cross member. The goal is to level this thing out, get your bubble as level as you can. Just let me get this straight on here. Level bubble. Pretty level. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's just an archery target. So I'm going to dump the quickcrete down there and add some water, let it set, do the other side. Man, it's windy out. So you can see the top's pretty level. We set this post and this post. They're still pretty wet, they need to dry. Next step will be to add that cross member across the top. Then we'll have some eyes, or some J hooks and S hooks for the target, and some 1 foot chains. put it up there and it should be good to go. Maybe at a bottom cross member there, depending on how sturdy this is when I'm done. I don't know what I'm doing. Just winging it. Took the skill saw, did some 2-inch relief cuts through on the outside. This is 4 inches. That'll sit down on the post. Chiseling the wood, making it flat. Oh god. It's not gonna be perfect. It's a freaking archery target, right? We'll get close. Close to perfect. But it doesn't have to be perfect. Got a 1/4 drill bit to start the pilot hole for these eyes that will go, that the target will hang off of. These are just like ceiling hooks. They say max weight is like 80 pounds. I don't even know how much that target weighs. I took a 5/16 drill bit, piloted this hole at the top, right there. I took 1 1/8 whatever that, I don't even know what it is, to make the top flush so the bolt wasn't sticking out. That's about it. Now, I did not do a perfect job right here, but I really don't care. Gonna hang the target from here with a few chains, put some S hooks in the target. Let me show you the target. Cameron Haynes, keep hammering. Rail target. Take both crossbows and compound. Baby steps to the top. She's hung. Just as a reference, I'm about 5'10", 5'11", and this is like a real life size deer. Yeah, that would be cool. Seems pretty damn solid. Yeah, that'll be good.